Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set idle status on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now here you will find set status, click on it, and here as you see you will find idle, click on it, and that's it. That's how to set idle status on your account on Discord, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.